I'm speaking to Mr. Sarwan Singh, and he is the CEO of Prologix. Last time we met, he had given so many information about the organization and what the company is doing in this region. Now it's been almost 1 year that I'm meeting him. So what has been the changes within the organization?
Prologix, actually in last 2 years we have grown exponentially. I would say we have last year doubled our revenues and crossed $100 million numbers, and this year we are expecting to be approximately $155 to $160 million. The company is growing in the verticals of distribution. We are here in GITEX displaying products from wireless, testing and measurement, and telecommunication. If you see the products around, the region which we are covering from here is Middle East and Africa, and last 6 years the growth is reflecting itself in terms of numbers and products which we are carrying. Yeah.
So which are the new brands that you are carrying this time or showcasing this time?
This time we are showcasing Fluke, which is one of the testing measurement leaders. We are showcasing Sangoma, which is a VoIP platform, and providing session border controllers. Since the inception of new technologies like SIP, where voice hacking chances are a lot, and there is only one way to secure the voice hack is through session border controllers. We are showcasing that. And on the Cambium side, where there is a new product launch which we have done during the time of GITEX. So all these products, and Motorola Indoor Wireless, which we have added very recently, is also showcased here.
How many principals are showing here?
We are at present in this booth, we have approximately 14 principals who are showcasing their solutions.
So you have added lot many feathers to your cap, lot many accolades to yourself. Last was the Telecom Award of the Year.
Yes.
Why is it so? Why are you winning those awards? What is your excellence, genius in this area?
In the telecom vertical, I would say we are one of the fastest growing companies who is providing right solutions, especially customer experience management, network monitoring solutions. We are talking about session border controller for telecom companies. We are at present already working with the regional telecom companies like Etisalat, Du, Huawei, Alcatel. We are already working with in African region companies like Globacom, Safaricom. We are providing them solutions in terms of SEM, which is customer experience management, and network monitoring solutions. So this is one of the reasons that the award companies have recognized us as the WAD for telecom solutions, and we have been selected as the best WAD in the telecom segment.
Are you also planning to bring in new products this year, new brands this year to?
See, it's not that we always continue to look forward to products which are in line with our solutions, and when it comes to new products, we always try to see what is the coming technologies, and we always try to work on the cutting edge technologies. We foresee certain more products, and we will be announcing them soon.
All right then.
Yeah.
Internally, has there been any changes in terms of your resources, number grown?
Internally, if you look at Prologix has added approximately 120 more resources in last 6 months. We have one Etisalat project and Alcatel projects. So there are a lot of new divisions which have been created, HODs have been moved, restructuring has happened, but obviously for good, which is the growth.
Starting from next year, maybe I'll say post GITEX, immediately you need to pull your stocks and address the market requirements. You must have generated a lot of leads out of this expo.
Yes.
So what are your plans? How would you go about?
GITEX obviously is one of the very important exhibitions which we participate every year from last 6 years. And during GITEX we get to meet, greet our customers, our partners, we develop relationship. And we find that during GITEX we are able to even work on the projects which are upcoming for the whole of the year. So even during this GITEX we have worked with some of the partners and some of the customers, telecom operators, and we feel and we foresee that we will be getting new projects in the coming year from these telecom operators and large enterprise customers.
All right, all the best to you. Thank you very much for talking to us.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.